Have you ever told yourself, if I could just get to the gym more often, my life would change? Or if I would be consistent in my business ventures, I could make more money? Or maybe you've thought, if I could just control myself in this one area, everything would be different. I've been there. I know what it's like to feel stuck, knowing the potential is there, but not knowing how to unlock it. And in this video, I'll share 5 practical steps that completely changed my life. These steps gave me clarity, focus, and the tools to create the success I have today. So let's get started because the clock is ticking and it's time to make a change today. Step number 1, fasting. How to clear your mind and regain control. Statistics say more than 15 million adults in the US have ADHD, many without even knowing it. While I'm not a doctor, I found a method that works wonders just for me. Fasting. Fasting isn't just about food, it's about giving your mind and body a reset. Start by fasting 4 to 5 hours in the morning. This can mean no food or liquid, or just a small amount of water or juice to stay hydrated. And this works because fasting helps eliminate distractions caused by overindulgence in things like sugar, caffeine, and cheap dopamine from social media. When I started fasting in the mornings, I noticed my anxiety level dropped and my focus sharpened. I could execute tasks with precision even on chaotic days. Fasting clears your mind, builds self-control, and helps you resist habits that sabotage your productivity. While you fast, connect with your goals for the day, meditate, and write down a game plan or do some light breath work. I also meditate in the Bible and spend time with God. You have to be connected to the source to be able to produce on the highest level possible. Step 2, exercise and eat like an athlete. Your body fuels your mind. If you want a sharp, focused mind, it starts with how you treat your body. Exercise. Start your day with something simple like 50 push-ups or a short jog. This boosts endorphins, reduces anxiety, and sets the tone for a productive day. Your nutrition. Eat clean, whole foods. Avoid processed, genetically modified, or chemically laden foods that drain your energy. This is a major staple in productivity. In my experience, back when I was hustling to build my first business, I noticed that eating junk food and skipping workouts left me sluggish and unmotivated. Once I cleaned up my diet, prioritized even a few minutes of exercise daily, my productivity shot through the roof. When you exercise and do something hard in the beginning of your day, it makes the rest of your day feel easy. So during the week, to save time, you can prepare simple, nutritious meals in advance. Then go ahead and track your energy levels throughout the day to see how food and exercise impact your performance. So step number 3, get uncomfortable. Stretch yourself daily. Growth happens outside of your comfort zone. If you want to achieve more, you have to push yourself mentally and physically. What this means is step out of routines that feel too easy. Take on tasks that challenge you, whether it's starting a difficult conversation, saying no to distractions, or tackling tough business goals. And the reason why this matters is because comfort breeds stagnation. Every time you step into discomfort, you're building mental resilience and growing closer to your goals. Again, my experience when I was building my businesses, I had to say no to old habits, spending hours on social media, playing video games, eating junk food, or even hanging out with people who weren't adding value to my life. It wasn't easy, but it was necessary. Comfort is the enemy of progress. So some actionable tips: you can identify one habit that's holding you back and replace it with something productive. Number 2, each week take on one task that scares or challenges you. Step number 4, execute, execute, and execute. Move quickly and get things done. Execution is everything. The faster you act, the more productive and effective you will be. Treat every daily task like a race. Set a timer and see how quickly you can finish it. Efficiency creates momentum. And do this without sacrificing quality. And the reason why this works is the person who executes the fastest gets the most done. It's that simple. In my experience, I compare this to professional fighting. The fighter who trains harder and executes their game plan in the ring is the one who wins. Life and business are no different. When I started treating my tasks like an opponent and like a game, I got more done in one day than I used to accomplish in 1 week. So some more actionable steps you can take: use tools like timers or productivity apps to track how fast you complete things. Prioritize speed without sacrificing quality, again, and slow down only for meaningful moments with family and friends. And step number 5, track your progress and reward yourself. Discipline and productivity isn't just about working harder, it's about tracking your progress and celebrating your wins. Use a journal, habit tracker, or an app to monitor your growth. Seeing your progress keeps you motivated. And set small rewards for yourself. When you hit a milestone, give yourself a reward, like maybe go out to eat or buy yourself something small that you always wanted. This keeps you moving forward again. And in my experience, when I started tracking my habits, I could see the patterns that were helping me succeed and the ones holding me back. Every time I hit a milestone, I rewarded myself, whether it was a nice dinner or just taking a moment to acknowledge my growth. So some actionable tips in this step are: reflect weekly on what worked and what didn't. Choose rewards that motivate you without derailing your progress. And just to recap everything, number 1, start fasting to clear your mind and boost focus. Number 2, exercise daily and eat clean for sustained energy. Number 3, push yourself out of your comfort zone to grow. Number 4, execute tasks quickly to maximize productivity. And number 5, track progress and celebrate your wins to stay motivated. And productivity and discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, taking small steps, and staying consistent. These 5 steps changed my life, and if you commit to them, they'll change yours too. The clock is ticking, and your best life is waiting. It's time to make a move. And if this video has resonated with you or changed your life in some way, hit the like button, drop a comment below, and start with the step you're going to start with. And don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this and share it with somebody who needs it. And let's build a life of discipline and success together. And if you're looking to turn your weeks into days with productivity, check out my mindset training at youracceleratedmind.com, and I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you soon.